In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter Form 1099-K in the Income and Expenses section. If you've received a Form 1099-K and you're not sure where to report it, this process is fairly straightforward once you know where to go and what the form is asking for. The key thing to understand is that Form 1099-K reports payment transactions, and the way you enter it depends on what that money was actually for. To begin, go to the Income and Expenses section of your tax return. From there, look for self-employment or other common income. This is the area where you'll find several common income types that don't always fit into a standard wage entry, and it's where Form 1099-K is typically entered. Once you're in that section, select Form 1099-K. Make sure you're choosing the correct form option so the income is categorized properly. This matters because the tax treatment can be different depending on whether the payments were related to a business, the sale of personal items, or a hobby. Next, enter the amount from box 1A of your Form 1099-K. This box shows the gross amount of payment transactions reported on the form. Be careful to enter the number exactly as it appears. Since box 1A reflects the gross total, it may include amounts before fees, refunds, or other adjustments, so accuracy here is important. After entering the gross amount, you'll need to indicate what type of income it represents. You'll typically choose between business income, personal item sales, or hobby income. This selection is an important part of the process because it tells the system how the income should be handled on your return. If the payments were for goods or services you provided as part of a business or self-employment activity, choose business income. If the money came from selling personal items, choose personal item sales. If the payments were connected to an activity you do for enjoyment and not as a business, choose hobby income. Take a moment here to pick the option that best matches the actual source of the payments. And that's it. The main part of this task is simply navigating to the correct section, selecting Form 1099-K, entering the box 1A gross amount, and choosing the correct income type. As always, double check the information before moving on so everything is reported accurately and consistently with your form.